Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this nice Coachmen 243 RBS model. It's a Catalina Legacy Edition, and I'm Big Sal. But this is a really great unit for a small young couple looking for a nice RV. This is a great unit. We've got the double propane tanks. We've got a nice power tongue lift jack. It has a beautiful pass-through storage area. If you look, it's got lots of room. I've got the other side open so you can actually really see down through there. It's got a lock. One of the cool things that Catalina does is they have this nice solid step entry. You got a nice big grab bar here, nice big power awning with outdoor speakers. Let's go inside and take a look. Now this is a great little floor plan for a couple that likes to go camping. It's got a nice pop out here, great oven upgrade. This also has a nice faucet upgrade for this year too. Nice big sink, double sink. Little extra counter space. You got a little bar stool there too, which is nice. Also comes with a fireplace and a nice little television for entertainment. Lots of storage. Microwave, refrigerator, all kinds of storage. This couch makes out into a bed, this makes out into a bed, so if you've got some guests, you got plenty of sleeping room. Really nice sized bathroom with a medicine cabinet, corner shower, nice toilet. A lot of storage in here. Plenty of storage. You can get a lot of stuff in here for a nice trip over to the coast or out for a week. You got storage underneath as well for your pots and pans or blankets and stuff. Now let's take a quick look into the bedroom. This has a nice queen size bed. Plenty of storage. Up above here you got lots of storage. It also has a spot for your television if you want to add a TV to your bedroom. Really a nice unit. Folks, if you like this unit or any other unit you see here at Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.